One thing was puzzling me about the school. All of the lessons and textbooks seemed to be in English, but our 1891 census shows us that the children of Talabraich could only speak Welsh. So how on earth did they cope in the classroom?
Most children found it well nigh impossible to stop speaking Welsh in school, to speak nothing but English. So here we have quite an important piece of evidence from the period to show an attempt that was made to try and prevent the children from speaking Welsh. It would have been worn around the child's neck, and then whoever had it last at the end of the day would have been punished in some form or another, maybe having the cane. But whoever had it last, well, you know, how did they get rid of it? Well, if they heard somebody else speaking Welsh, they could pass it on. So not only did it make the children ashamed of their own language, it also taught them to snitch on one another. We do not speak Welsh in school. So, you must wear that to remind you.
As somebody who's educated in Welsh, it makes me quite upset to think of what the local children went through at school.